Hello everyone and welcome back to Loop into AI. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can install and set up OpenClaw with Ollama local model. I will use GLM-4.7-Flash. It supports all of Cloud Code, Codex, OpenCode and OpenClaw. But in today's video, we're just interested with OpenClaw. First, open your terminals. I opened two windows so you can see everything clearly. We'll first check if Git installed and if Node.js and npm installed with the commands. Okay, I see that Git is installed, but Node.js is not. Let's just install it. Go ahead to Node.js website, select the version, and select your operating system. Select NVMe and npm and copy the code and paste it to your terminal. Alright, the Node.js installation is starting. Let's just wait for it to successfully install. Let's try again if it's installed. Yes, npm is available. Node is available too. Git is already installed, so we don't need to reinstall it. Now go ahead to OpenClaw.ai website. Scroll down and select your operating system. In my case, I will install it on Linux. I will just copy the commands for Linux and simply paste it on your terminal. Let's wait for it to install. While installing, I will check if Ollama is installed. Alright, it's already installed in my system. If not installed on your system, go ahead to ollama.com and simply install it via this command or download Ollama link. Let's now install the model GLM-4.7-Flash. Let's just copy the command and paste it on our terminal and click enter. I see that OpenClaw is successfully installed on the above terminal. Yeah, it's successfully installed. I will just click now for now. Alright, now let's wait for Ollama model to install and I'll show you how we can launch it with OpenClaw. The model installation will take some time based on your internet connection. Alright, for me it's successfully installed. Let me test it out. Okay, yeah, it's successfully running. Let's now go ahead and launch OpenClaw with Ollama using this command. Just copy it. I will leave all the links in the description below. Just paste it on your terminal and click enter. Select yes, I understand the risks and click enter. Let's wait for it to update the packages. Alright, perfect. I think it's all done. It's easy to use. Let's wait for it to respawn. Alright, heartbeat okay. It's the usual OpenClaw responses. Let's create new session and let's just say hey. Alright, yeah, it's working and it's pretty much fast compared to it's just a local LLM. Let me check it out again and see if it will respond again fast. Okay, yeah, it's working. So yeah, this is how you can install OpenClaw and use local LLM models. This way you don't need to have any subscription. You will use your local model for free and without any limitations. For me, I'm hosting this on vast.ai instance. I have two RTX 4090, and it's the price for $0.8 per hour. So what do you think? Is it worth the price, or using only the API keys is better? Let me know in the comment section. If you need to know anything else, just let me know and I'll make sure to make a new video for it. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel to get more similar videos, and have a good one.